Xiaomi has announced a new device related to energy, but this time, it is a power bank with USB-C, the Xiaomi Mi Power 3, which shares most features with the Mi Power 3 Pro model, but instead of 20,000 mAh, it offers 10,000 mAh. It has a design almost identical to the previous model, the Xiaomi Mi Power 2, a body made of aluminum with a CNC finish and dimensions of 147 x 71.2 x 14.2 mm fits perfectly in your pocket. It also has 4 LED lights to indicate the level of charge. We observe 3 ports, one USB-A, one microUSB to recharge it and another USB-C. The latter acts as input and output of energy, that is, it can be used both to charge the power bank itself, and to power compatible devices. Both the USB-A and USB-C port support fast 18W charging, just like the microUSB input port. As for the capacity of the battery, as we have said, it offers 10,000 mAh, half that of the Pro model but enough to recharge a phone several times. And it includes protection against overloads and voltage spikes. It is available in black or white, and comes with a USB-A to USB-C or microUSB cable thanks to an adapter.